Nano Banana Pro wins!
Nano Banana Pro is well known for its incredible engine, and it's by far the best image generation model that allows you to create 4K native images, outputs, and accurate legible text rendering in images, something that did not exist in the previous version because we were only topped at 2K resolution and the typography was not the best experience. So today in Nano Banana Pro, they fixed all that and they made it a seamless experience that you get a perfect typography and you can generate high quality up to 4K resolution, which is amazing. And so today I'm going to show you how you can use Nano Banana Pro for free, and we're going to make a comparison between today's version and the previous version and how you can blend the images and bring them all together into a seamless curated ad for social media marketing or selling them to your clients. So our first step is I went to ChatGPT and I simply asked it to provide me with a set of images that I can use for social media marketing, and I wanted to blend them all together. So I basically got this prompt that says create a professional automotive advertisement in AR, which is aspect ratio 1:1 square format. Use a modern Mercedes-Benz dealership interior as the background with clean glass walls and bright white showroom lighting. Place the 2025 Mercedes-Benz sedan displayed prominently in the center right of the frame. On the left side, include a well-dressed man opening the driver's door, preparing for a test drive, maintaining realistic shadows and premium car reflections. Below that is simply the text that's going to be placed on top of the image. So these are the set of images that I got here. This is the exterior of the car dealership, and then this is the interior view, and then on here this is the man that we're going to use in the image. So now what I'm going to do is I'll simply just copy the prompt right here all together. And then I'm going to go back to the website, which is I'm about to show you how you can use it for free. And today I have my best recommendation that allows you to use it and get more than 3 images per day. There's only just a break time between each 5 generations. So this means you can generate up to 5 images and then you'll have to wait for almost an hour and then start generating again. And the website that we're going to use today is called LM Arena. Some of you are familiar with it, some are not, but this is the website. I'm going to leave a link to it in the description. Once you land on the website, you need to log in with your email or Gmail account, and this is what it's going to look like. When you log in, what you have to do is take a look at the top right left corner. You'll see a drop-down menu right here. You just click it and there are going to be 3 options. The first one is battling with 2 anonymous models, and then the second one is going to be side by side, and then finally is the direct chat. So the one that we're going to use today is called side by side. So we're going to click on that one so we can choose the models that we want to make a comparison with. So first of all, I'm going to choose my first comparison right here, which is going to be Gemini 3 Pro, which is Nano Banana basically. And then I'm going to click on that one right here, and then I'm going to choose 2.0. Once you do that, what you want to do next is simply click on the image icon right here that's below the search box. It's really important that way you know that you're going to start generating images, and then you're going to paste your prompt just like that, and then we will upload our reference images. So those are the images that we're going to use. I'm going to highlight all 3, and then I'm going to click on open to import them or upload them, and simply just paste my prompt right here. And then I want to make sure that the 2 choices or 2 selections are exactly what I wanted. Like I said, the first one is the Pro version. I have to click on the second one right here again and then choose Gemini 2.5. This is the previous version. Now I'm going to hit enter right here and then wait for the result. So as you can see here, it's processing the prompt and it's trying to generate both images. On the left side where it says Nano Banana Pro, on the right side is where Nano Banana 2.5, which is the previous version. And let's wait for the result. And so here's the result between both of them. We're going to take a look on the previous version first. So this is what it looks like. It's not bad. I do like it, except that I did not listen to the aspect ratio, which is 1:1 for social media. And let's take a look on the other one right here. This one is a 1:1 aspect ratio. Now you can see still there are flaws in this image. It's not perfect. And the reason for that is because the images or the examples that I use as reference basically are hard to handle. So my suggestion, if you were to blend images using Nano Banana Pro, you have to make sure that your product image has either a white or transparent background so that it can easily handle it and provide you with a perfect result. That way you don't have to keep trying and losing all your trials. So this is basically the difference between this one and the previous one. So what I like about this one is basically the typography and how the text is more clear, it's more vibrant. The quality of the image is higher than the previous one. versus on the other one right here, you can see the text looks okay. It's not bad, but it's more easy and more obvious on the Pro version. And, we have the same guy and everything. The quality of this image is obviously less than the Pro version. Now I'm going to show you another example where we can make a comparison between Nano Banana Pro and 2.5. And so in this example, we're basically going to create a dentist ad where we have these ampoules right here of a doctor doing teeth cleaning. And this is the second image right here, the interior of the clinic. And then we have another image of the doctor right here. And let's wait for the results and see what happens. So here we go. We have the next example ready to go. So we're going to click on the first one. This is the previous version. This is what it looks like. Again, it did not listen to the request for the one-on-one aspect ratio. And it also used a different image of the doctor, as you can see. But overall, the experience is not bad, but I cannot use this. But we'll take a look on the other one. So here we have the Pro version. As you can see, it did a great job in that regard because it used the doctor's image reference and it also kept the patient as well. So as you can see, it basically invented a new chair for the patient. And the reason for that, like I said, is because you did not give clear instructions on what exactly do you want. And this is why I recommend that you have clear product images if you want to get professional looking ad. And I really wanted to show you the flaws basically so you can understand how far AI can go, that if you don't give it clear instructions on what exactly do you want, it's not going to listen. Now, obviously, this is the first trial, but if I keep trying and tell it exactly what I want, it will eventually produce the exact expected result. But here's how to avoid all those mistakes. It's really important that if you see something wrong with your generated image, instead of using the same prompt and regenerating it again, using the same one, my recommendation at this point is to tweak your prompt, tell it exactly what you want to see different and how you expected it to be, because otherwise, if you keep using the same prompt over and over again, trying to regenerate multiple times, guess what? You're going to end up getting the same result, if not worse. So make sure to tweak your prompt when you're about to make a new generation or a regeneration to get better results that meet your expectations. Now, I do have other examples that I'd like to show you here. This is a fried chicken ad that I created, again, using the reference images. This is the previous version 2.0, and this is what it looks like. You can see here, it did a pretty well job, except that it kept the boxes in white or plain white. On the other hand, this is the Nano Banana Pro version, and you can see how professional this ad looking, it's much better. The text and how is it blending in well in the background, as well as the $10 special text above the box right there. Everything looking good, and this is a much better ad that I can use in marketing or sell this to clients. Another example would be this one right here for a donut. Basically, I have 3 set of examples. And so this is the Nano Banana 2 version. As you can see, what it looks like to me is that it did not use a serve plate. This basically shows that the plate should be in the kitchen, right, on the back end. While on the other hand, if you take a look on the Nano Banana Pro version, you can see here clearly that it outdid the previous version by placing a served plate ready to go for customers. And you can see this is looking more professional, so I can use this in ads. Again, the only problem is that this is not a one-on-one aspect ratio, but of course you can adjust the prompt and then tweak it the way you want. Another example for this is another coffee here. Again, we have those set of images, and then this is the Nano Banana 2.5. You can see here the flaws in this image basically is the shadow that's below the text. It just doesn't look realistic. While on the other hand, if you take a look on that one here, this is a much better option because we can see there's a drop shadow that looks professional. The text is well aligned in the image and it just looks more crisp and much better that I can use in my marketing plans or sell this to clients. There's also another example that I wanted to show you for a burger ad. So this is the version of 2.0. You can see here, this is how it looks like compared to the other one right here. This is more professional. The quality is much better. The text is well aligned. Again, it just looks more clear and it's just much better. So this is basically how you can use Nano Banana Pro for free. And like I said, LM Arena is the best website where it allows you more than 5 generations per day. You just have to have a break between, basically. So you have to wait for almost an hour after every 5 generations. And then that way you can get it for free. Otherwise, my recommendation is to start investing in AI, especially if you're creating this for your clients or you're going to make money out of this. Because at the end of the day, if it's like I'm asking you to work for me for free for a lifetime? And the answer is always going to be no, I can't do this. Obviously, if you were to produce high quality images and you want to get better results, then you're going to have to invest and start subscribing to AI to get more generations, to get better qualities. And, you can use other websites that basically gives you more options, like choosing the aspect ratio. So this way you don't have to worry about it, by also deciding on the quality, choosing between 2K and 4K resolution, which is something that if you did not mention in your prompt in the free version, you're most likely going to get somewhere between 2K and 4K. But if you were to pay for AI, you're definitely going to get perfect results, obviously, because you get all those options that you could choose from to make sure that your generated images will stick to the rules that you set as per your selections. Anyway, let me know your thoughts in the comments below and what worked out better for you, whether the Pro version or 2.5 version. So I hope you found today's video helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.